Hello, I'm Lola Berry. I'm a nutritionist, yogi, and wellness author. Now it's winter time, and I don't know about you, but this is when I kind of crave the more indulgent, comforting food. But it's actually the time when we really need to nourish ourselves and look after our immune systems. And one of my favourite ways to do that is with this turmeric latte. The ingredients in a turmeric latte are really easy. So of course we need the hero, turmeric. We know it's so good for the immune system and for our skin. We're going to use coconut milk. You can use any milk you like. Oat milk is also delicious. To that we're going to add some cinnamon, great for balancing blood sugar levels. Ginger helps to keep us warm in the winter time. And then of course honey to make it delicious, but also honey is antibacterial, so super easy to make, and it looks after our immune system, but also it's anti-inflammatory, it's also anti-aging, win-win. And my favorite time to have it is after dinner when I'm craving something sweet. It is so warming, so nourishing, and most importantly, so delicious. Head to Priceline Pharmacy for all your health and wellness needs this winter.